So, how do you check if a specific file you have contains any malware? This is something pretty common, especially if you've downloaded a file from a random website. I downloaded this file from a random Minecraft mod site, and we'll test it on that. First, right click the file, click Show More Options, and then click Scan with Microsoft Defender. It will immediately start scanning. The scan time depends on how large the file is. Mine took about 3 seconds, and it came back with no threats found. If you want to be extra careful, you can also upload the file to VirusTotal, which is a free website acquired by Google that checks your file with dozens of different antivirus engines at once. My file is under 3 megabytes, so I can't really demonstrate it there, but it works great for larger or more suspicious files. You can also scan URLs before downloading anything. If you're on a Mac, there's no built-in scanner like Microsoft Defender, but VirusTotal is still a great option. There are other tools out there, but this is by far one of the most widely used. And no, this isn't sponsored. I just genuinely think it's a good free open source option for most people.